Yes. Now we're going to read summary of the lesson Hamaguchi from the book Stepping Stones, and this
Okay.
reading will be done by Mannat. Yes. So Mannat, start reading from here.
Many years ago, there lived an old man called Hamaguchi in
In Japan.
Japan.
Yes.
He was very.
Wait a second, Mannat. I will make you understand side by side. After every line, just have a little pause. Okay. It's about a story, like it's a story about Hamaguchi. Who was Hamaguchi? He was an old man. Okay. He was very old. And this story is about many, many years ago. Okay. And Hamaguchi, he belonged to Japan. He belonged to a country named Japan. Okay. He was an old man.
मर गया था.
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
मैम वो मर गया था.
Yes, it was many, many years ago, and he was an old man, okay, who used to live in Japan. Now, read the next line.
He was very
Wise.
wise and he
The natives
loved and respected
respected.
respected I am him a lot.
Yes, the person, this old man Hamaguchi, he was very intelligent. वो बहुत समझदार था, and उसके जो भी known to थे, they used to love him a lot, and because of his intelligence, he was getting a lot of respect. Because when you are intelligent, obviously you will give good solutions to a problem. So everybody used to respect him. Okay. Now read the next line.
He was a rich FAR farmer and HIS his horse HTOOD on
Yes.
a HIL hillside HITH
High.
high ABOVE
Above.
to
Yes.
CS
Shore.
above
The seashore.
the horses
Houses.
of the villagers down by the SHORE shore.
Yes. So who was he? He was a very rich farmer. Okay. He was farmer by profession, but he was very rich. And his house was there on a hillside high. He was very much, his house was lying at a very height. Okay. Whereas जो बाकी village के लोग थे, villagers, उनके houses, they were down the shore. Okay. वो shore के side पे थे. Yes. जैसे for example, मतलब this is a this is a mountain, या हम लगा लेते हैं hillside है, ये आपका sea है. Okay. तो जो हमागुची था उसका house was like here, और बाकी सबके houses वो यहाँ पे थे ऐसे sea के आसपास. Okay. By the shore. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now can we read the next line?
LALL all around Hamaguchi house
Were his
RICH which FIL
rice fields. Rice fields. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
जो हमागुची का हाउस था उसके सराउंडिंग में चारों तरफ ही हैड हिज फील्ड्स. फील्ड्स मतलब खेत थे उसके, और खेत में कौन सी क्रॉप लगी थी? इट वाज राइस. राइस मतलब चावल. यस.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. नाउ रीड द नेक्स्ट लाइन.
They had been FINE
Fine.
CROP and so down
Tonight,
in the village everyone was
celebrating. Okay. What happened? Yes, I'm telling you. Everybody in the village, उनकी जो crop उगी थी वो काफी अच्छी उगी थी. मतलब they had a very good amount of cereals. Yes. ठीक है बेटा? So they were all celebrating in this on this occasion. कि everybody has a good crop, तो उनको बहुत सारे रुपीस मिलेंगे इसके बदले. So everyone was very happy. So they were celebrating. Okay, now read the next line, beta. Hamaguchi. Yes, Mannat.
Yes, ma'am.
Hamaguchi
Hamaguchi was
was
sitting on side
outside
outside his house.
with his grandson
His grandson named
named
Tadar.
Dada. Yes. And they were enjoying
the
celebrations.
celebration happily
Yes.
down the hill.
Yes. So what Hamaguchi was doing when all the villagers were celebrating, Hamaguchi was sitting outside his house because he was very old, na. And secondly, they were living at the top of the hill, so they were sitting outside, and he was sitting with his grandson. ठीक है, वो अपने grandson दादा के साथ बैठे थे, and he was enjoying the celebrations. वो वहाँ पे celebrations को देख के खुश हो रहे थे. ठीक है. Now can you read the next line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
They all,
After a while, he felt an earthquake. No.
And what?
No, we were there. All of a sudden, he felt a strong breeze blowing in from the sea. So, जब वो बैठ के वहाँ पे देख रहे थे Hamaguchi, तो what happened? एकदम से उसको बहुत strong एक ठंडी हवा उसके पास उसको feel हुई जो sea में से आ रही थी. After a while, कुछ देर के बाद, he felt an earthquake. Though he was not frightened, Hamaguchi डरा नहीं. He didn't. वो डरा नहीं, लेकिन he was a little worried. उसको थोड़ी सी चिंता हो गई. ठीक है. अब villagers they were busy rejoicing. Yes. Yes, Mannat.
मैम किसके बारे में?
क्या चीज?
किसके बारे में?
क्या चीज किसके बारे में?
मैम जो आप बोल रहे हो earthquake,
हाँ जी.
किसके बारे में?
Earthquake is shaking of the earth. It is called the shaking of earth. Okay. तो वहां पे अर्थ जो है वो शेक करने लग गई. तो हमागुची को डर तो नहीं लगा, बट उसको थोड़ी सी चिंता हुई. The villagers were busy. Earthquake is dangerous, na? It could spoil their crops and it could bring water to the fields. Yes. अभी हम देखते हैं what happened. So villagers were busy rejoicing, so they didn't realize the earthquake. So villagers तो celebrations कर रहे थे, तो उनको पता ही नहीं लगा कि earthquake आया है. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what happened? Hamaguchi started thinking what to do. Okay, बेटा. So Hamaguchi ने ये सोचना शुरू कर दिया कि अब हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा. What we need to do. So after thinking for a while, he told his grandson to bring him a lighted torch quickly. तो उसने अपने grandson को बोला फटाफट से जाओ और एक लालटेन जो है वो आप मेरे पास लेके आओ. It's kind of burning candle with a covering. Okay, उसे हम lighted torch बोलते हैं. So फटाफट से जो उसका grandson था, he went inside and he lighted a torch and brought it. उसने वहां पे वो लालटेन जलाई और अपने दादाजी को दे दी. Yes. Now Hamaguchi took the torch. Okay, Hamaguchi ने फटाफट से टॉर्च लिया and he hurried to his rice fields. और वो फटाफट अपने rice fields में पहुंच गया. And he started his rice stacks to fire. Okay, जो वहां पे अभी हमें पता लगेगा बेटा. Okay, what happened? अब देखो जो उसने राइस के जो वेस्ट पार्ट होता है उसको उसने आग लगा दी. ओके बेटा. सो अब नेचुरल सी बात है, जब फायर होगी तो क्या होगा? Soon flames and smoke towed into the sky. पूरे आसमान में धुआं हो गया. ठीक है. अब दादा was very puzzled to see all this. जो उसका पोता था, the grandson, वो बहुत कंफ्यूज हो गया कि हो क्या रहा है. What दादाजी is doing? So The bell ringer in the temple saw the fuel flames and set the big bell blooming. जो टेम्पल में बेल बजाता था उसने वो धुआं देखा, ठीक है, उसने वो लपटें देखी फायर की, तो उसने फटाफट से बेल बजानी शुरू कर दी. अब विलेजर्स जो थे, अब विलेजर्स को क्या उनको क्या पता क्या हो रहा है, राइट? तो विलेजर्स ने जैसे ही देखा कि यहाँ पे हमागुची के जो फील्ड्स थे वहां पे फायर लगी है, तो वो फटाफट उसको हेल्प करने के लिए पहुंच रहे थे. सो दे वांटेड कि हम हमागुची की जल्दी जल्दी हेल्प करें. यस, इस वजह से वो जल्दी जल्दी भागना शुरू हो गए. सो व्हाट हैपेंड एट फर्स्ट, धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, सबसे पहले क्या, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं वो पहुंच गए क्योंकि वो जल्दी जल्दी भाग सकते हैं. तो दे वर द यंग मैन हु वांटेड टू पुट आउट द फायर, लेकिन हमागुची ने उनको रोक दिया, ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर वो फायर को बुझा देते तो बाकी लोग ऊपर ना आते. सो कुछ देर में पूरा का पूरा विलेज जो है वो हिल के ऊपर आ गया हमागुची के घर के आसपास. ठीक है बेटा, समझ आई? अब सब वहां पहुंच गए तो नेचुरल सी बात है वो सब पूछ रहे थे. नाउ दे वर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम टाडा. तो उन्होंने टाडा से क्वेश्चन पूछने शुरू किए. अब हमागुची से तो कुछ नहीं पूछा जा रहा था क्योंकि हमागुची तो बहुत ओल्ड मैन था, बहुत रिस्पेक्टेबल था, तो उन्होंने टाडा से क्वेश्चन पूछने शुरू कर दिए. नाउ अब टाडा वाज क्राइंग, he was like पता नहीं क्यों फायर लग गई. So Tada was, he sobbed and said, grandfather has set fire to the rice fields with a purpose. तो उसने कहा मेरे दादाजी ने राइस फील्ड्स में आग लगाई है, बट इसके पीछे there is a reason. Then Hamaguchi asked villagers that if all have come up the hill, उसने हमागुची ने क्या पूछा कि क्या सभी विलेजर्स ऊपर आ गए हैं, ठीक है. सो ही फर्दर टोल्ड देम टू टर्न एंड लुक टुवर्ड्स द सी. उसने कहा पीछे घूमो और समुद्र की तरफ देखो. तो उसने व्हाट ही टोल्ड देम जस्ट लुक एट द सी. उसके बाद जब विलेजर्स ने सी को देखा, व्हाट they saw a giant wave coming. बहुत बड़ी लहर आ रही थी and it shook the village. इसने पूरा विलेज को हिला दिया. ओके, सो हमागुची ने जब विलेजर्स को बोला कि just turn around and see the, just have a look at the sea, then the villagers saw a very giant wave. It was a very big wave, and the wave was so big that it shook whole of the village. Now obviously wave had to go back. जो wave थी it just went away, but when it went away not even a single house was there. Every house was damaged. Now just imagine if the people would have been there, all of the people would have been drawn, all of the people would have been taken to the sea. So what the thing was, the whole village was swept away. It was all, उस वेव ने पूरा का पूरा विलेज ही अपने साथ बहा लिया. People stood silent. They were in shock. What has happened? What has happened to them, to their houses? How they are safe? Then Hamaguchi told them that this was the reason for which he set the fire to his field. He said, as his house stands still, Hamaguchi ने कहा कि मेरा घर बिल्कुल ठीक है and there is room for many it, और इसमें बहुत सारे rooms हैं, और जो लोग बच जाएंगे please take a shelter in the temple. So then villagers realized that Hamaguchi was not doing any bad work. He was actually saving them, and they bowed their foreheads to the ground before him as a mark of their respect for him. So this is how Hamaguchi is said to be very wise man. Clearly and cleverly he saved so many people, the villagers. Otherwise, all of them would have been drawn in the sea by the giant wave. And Hamaguchi, he just, he worked very cleverly and used his mind to save people's lives. That is why everyone respected Hamaguchi. Okay, Manat, I hope you enjoyed the story.
Yes, ma'am.